Yes, it's African Bank, yes. Oh, it's a Capitec Bank. Okay. Okay. Ma'am, we want to do arrangement. So can we get a can we get a discount of this amount, sir? Sorry?
You will be clean after that. I come the clean. What's the other day? You tell me the phone, they think you were coming under.
So the once off it's 3,500. Ma'am, okay, let me translate, ma'am, because the client. Braki, basi I discount yebo ukhuluma no-Ayanda njengamanje. Bathi discount esitholayo sithola eka 3.5, 3,500. So it is once off payment ukuthi ikhokhe is once off straight, you understand? So I don't know, or yes, ufuna monthly like, okay. Yes, send a debit order. Okay. $200 every month. Izothatha 20 months ukuthi iphele. 200 every month. 20, yes. Let's make it 500. How was it? No, 1,000. For 10 months. Okay, it's fine. The thing is, okay, ma'am, I will call you back. We'll call you back. All right. Bye. What, Raki? Hello? 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 Praki?